Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today, we're diving into the world of motorcycle engines, two-stroke versus four-stroke. Which engine will you choose, two-stroke or four-stroke? It's like choosing between a cheetah and a tank. Let's dive in and see which one roars louder. So grab a wrench, put on your thinking cap, and let's get greasy. All right, let's talk power. Two-stroke engines are like that friend who always wants to race you to the end of the block. Think of it like hitting the nitrous button. It's a wild, exhilarating ride. Perfect for tearing up a dirt track or off-road terrain. Four-stroke engines, they're the ones who'll get you there, but with a cup of coffee in hand. This makes them more versatile and user-friendly, especially for beginners. Choosing between the two comes down to your riding style and what you want from your motorcycle experience. Now, let's talk about the physical differences between these engines. Two-stroke bikes are like featherweight boxers, quick and nimble. Four-stroke bikes, think heavyweight champs, powerful but might need a breather. A lightweight dirt bike is perfect for navigating tight trails, while a heavier touring motorcycle offers a more stable ride on long journeys. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your intended use and personal preference. Sipping fuel versus guzzling gas. Two-stroke engines sip fuel like it's a fine wine. Four-stroke engines, they guzzle gas like it's happy hour. Let's dive into the fuel efficiency of these two beasts. Now, for a topic that's becoming increasingly important, environmental impact. Two-stroke engines might make you feel like you're in a fog machine. Four-stroke engines, they're the clear skies after the storm. All right, let's get our hands dirty and talk maintenance. Two-stroke engines are like that high-maintenance friend who always needs attention. Four-stroke engines, they're the reliable buddy who's always ready to go. Now that you know the ins and outs of two-stroke and four-stroke engines, let's take a look at some popular models. In the two-stroke corner, we have legends like the Yamaha YZ250 and the KTM 300XC. On the four-stroke side, the Honda CRF 250L and the Kawasaki KLR 650 are standout models. Two-stroke bikes are like dating a rock star, thrilling but unpredictable. Four-stroke bikes, they're the steady relationship you can count on. Let's be honest, part of the joy of riding a motorcycle is the sensory experience. Two-stroke engines sound like a swarm of bees on a mission. Four-stroke engines, they're the smooth jazz of the motorcycle world. Which sound you prefer is entirely subjective, but both engine types have their own unique acoustic signature. Whether you prefer the high-pitched scream of a two-stroke or the deep rumble of a four-stroke, there's a symphony of sound waiting to be experienced. So, there you have it, a deep dive into the world of two-stroke and four-stroke motorcycle engines. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your individual riding style, preferences and intended use. Do you crave the raw, visceral experience of a two-stroke or the smooth, refined performance of a four-stroke? Whether you choose a two-stroke or a four-stroke, remember, the best bike is the one that makes you smile. Ride on and keep the rubber side down.